Hello students, I Prabha Sharma welcome you to the next lectures of the concept and the method of interest on drawing related with the fundamentals of the partnership firm. Today we will discuss the accounting treatment of calculations of interest on drawing. But before to start, there is a need to understand the concept of interest on drawing. Generally, the drawing means when a partner has withdrawn the money for the personal use is called as the drawings. So the interest will be charged by the organizations or you may say to the partnership firm. So this is the income for the partnership firm. So which the business partner has to pay. So there are the two methods which we can use to calculate the interest on drawing on the basis of when the time is given. So when the time is given, we can allocate into the two form. Number one, simple method, and second is product methods. Now come to the next now. First of all, try to understand what is the simple method of the drawing. Simple method of the drawing can be calculated separately the each amount of the drawing from the date of drawing to the date of closing of the accounting period. A closing of the accounting period generally remains the 31st March. So first of all, you have to check the closing period. Then, like the one example is given here, with the interest formula is there. Now the interest on drawing can be calculated the actual amount withdrawn by the partners multiplied by the rate applied and the time applied. So like the example is given, if a partners like Krishna has withdrawn rupees 40,000 on 1st July at the rate of the 10% per annum and the ending period related with the accounting period 31st March. So we should have to make focus the actual amount withdrawn is 40,000 according to the formula. Then rate is given 10% and then it is to be applied here 10 upon 100 and then the time is from the July to the March consists with 9 months. So the 9 months interest on drawing will be calculated. So the result will come rupees 3,000. So it is to be called as the interest will be charged from the Krishna by the partnership firm. In the same manner, the others interest on drawing can be calculated and if the Krishna has withdrawn the so many times, then the total drawings will be calculated and the sum will be called the total amount charged from Krishna. So this is the simple method which very easily the student can apply. Now the second method is the product method of drawing. The product method is, now the one example is here, just to listen, the date of drawing is given. Now you may observe from the May to the March, all the time periods are not equal. So it means the gap between the time period are differ. So the dates are differ, time period are differ, and the second is the amount withdrawn is also differ. So that means amount can be one time 20,000, second time 10,000, then next time 30,000. So it means unequal amount is withdrawn. And now we have the calculations now start now. First of all, we have to calculate the time period applied to May to the 31st March consists with 11 months. Now it again start with the July 31st to 31st March. So it means 8 months and then the September to the 31st March, it means 6 months or the 30,000 6 months interest will be charged. Another November to the 31st March consists with the fourth month. Another January to 31st January to the 31st March with the 3 months. And the March 31st is there for the one day it will be zero. But if it is 1st March then the 1 month will be charged. So there is a need to calculate the time period applied to all the dates of the drawings. And then we have to multiply this time period with the principal amount like in the my first amount 20,000, time period 11 month and take the product of the both. And the same manners the other products will be calculated. So you may see 20,000 multiplied by 11, 10,000 multiplied by 8, 30,000 multiplied by 6, 40,000 multiplied by 4, and the 20,000 multiplied by 3, and 25,000 multiplied by 0. And then all the products are to be sum up, called as the sum of products or the total of the products, like the 7 lakh is listed here. So how to calculate the interest on drawing? Now come to the formula. The interest on drawing can be calculated by the total of product, means sum of product, like 7 lakh is there, and the rate of interest is mentioned generally. We mean 10%, 9%, 12%. So you may apply. We are supposing here 9%. So 9% will be taken, and the average of 1 month is to be calculated here. Other time period will not be applied here. So multiply by the 1 upon 12 months. So that means the result will come like the 5,250. So now you may observe this is the formula. Now come to the concept now. The formula is giving you the concept. First of all, the student have to calculate the product, all the products, like the column number 4. That means multiply the each set from its time period, like the amount multiplied by the time period. So all the products, first of all, the student will calculate. And the second is the all the product is to be sum up for calculating the total of the product. So that means, and then arrived at the 1 month average. So this is the result of calculating the product method. So you may have to observe the both methods applied on the time period. Thank you.